Welcome to the Weather Guru podcast for April 21st, 2025, Monday edition for the lower 48 United States. Today we're going to be looking at the watches and warnings briefly here. Most of the rain has been considered along the Gulf Coast here. So courtesy of radar scope, we look at the rain here that's coming into Baton Rouge and New Orleans and the parishes surrounding this area here as well. We have some flash flood warnings here north of Zachary, Louisiana. This is for a cell that's producing heavy rain. A flash flood warning is issued. This is for Baton Rouge Parish, Feliciana Parish, Northwestern St. Helena Parish, and West Feliciana Parish. At 5:52 Central Daylight Time, the Doppler radar is indicating heavy rain across the area, flash flooding of small creeks and streams, urban areas, streets, Zachary, Louisiana, Jackson, Clinton, Slaughter, Phelps, and Darlington, Louisiana. Please turn around, don't drown. A flash flood is rising for your area here from Clinton to Slaughter to Zachary back towards Baker. As you can see, these cells here are heavily rain cells, deleted in rain here, dealienated in rain, and these are all moving to the quickly here to the northeast at about over 20 knots here, east-northeast at 20 knots. So places that could be impacted by this: Greensburg, Kentwood, Louisiana, back towards Montpelier, and down towards Denham Springs and Walker. Heavy rains there just to the northern suburbs of Baton Rouge, Louisiana. So if you're in Baker, Zachary, Slaughter, Clinton, Jackson, Wilson, Louisiana, heavy rain extending all the way up towards Greensburg and back up towards Macomb, Mississippi there. Rain continues to be falling. So flash flood warnings are in effect for most of Louisiana down there. And then we have flash flood warnings in New York, upstate New York, along the Erie, Pennsylvania corridor, and into upstate New York here, on western New York here. Once again, French Creek, Burns Point, Jerry, Conewago, for central Colorado County and Chautauqua County in western New York. Flood, flash warning, rain 1 to 2 inches an hour here. So if you're coming through Conewago, Randolph, Jamestown, New York, on the western suburbs there, south suburbs of Buffalo, Dunkirk, down towards Panama, Jamestown, these areas are going to be experiencing heavy rain. And then you have this squall line here that's moving ahead of it in Linden, New York, Great Valley toward the Finger Lakes of New York, and up towards just to the east of Buffalo, the suburbs, Attica, Pavilion, Batavia, Riga. These goes all the way up into the Rochester area. This line of storms here producing some heavy rain here that's going to be coming through the area. Then you have this secondary line here that's coming through Ashtabula, just past the Ohio Turnpike, past Erie, back into New York, Dunkirk, Curry, south of there. So we have this heavy rain here, as you can extend here. It's going to be extending up into the Telkio Plateau. So Watertown, you might get hit in the next hour or so here, probably between 8:30 Central Daylight Time, Eastern Daylight Time, 8:30 Watertown on the Telkio Plateau. Syracuse, you're about to get hit with these showers of these lighter variety. But the only flash flood warning and severe thunderstorm warning we have is down here in southwestern New York, and this is just extended here. Severe thunderstorm warning possible for Wyoming County, Chautauqua County, Erie County, and Allegheny County in western New York. Now this is gonna be for straight line winds, so 60-mile-an-hour winds, gusts, and quarter-size hail in this zone here as I focus in. So there's some Ashford, New York, Franklinville, Farmersville, Linden, New York, Great Valley, New York, this area here, Yorkshire, New York, back towards Pike, New York. So if you're in this area here, off the lake, here, you want to be careful. Severe thunderstorm warning is going to be issued here. It expires in 43 minutes for 1-inch hail and 60-mile-an-hour straight line winds, considered with this squall line here, this QLCS quasi-linear convective squall line here that's extending all the way down. As I zoom out here, you can see the squall line from Concord, New York, back up to Attica, back up to Rochester, back over toward the lakes here, and Oswego's just getting in the rain here as we go, and then back down here. So you can see these showers continue even in the PA, upstate PA, Oil City, Warren, PA, Bradford, PA. You're getting some heavy rain down there. You folks up there in elevation, you're getting some rain down there as well. Cleveland, you're in the clear right now. This is a squall line here as it continues here. So this is what we're looking at. Louisiana and upstate New York, you guys are in the shower. Now, New Orleans, you're still under a flash flood warning until 26 minutes from now, 5:43 Central Daylight Time. So another about 6:15 Central Daylight Time. Flash flooding could be indicated there for New Orleans. So if you're in the 3rd Ward, 9th Ward, back towards Midtown, Mid-City, Metairie, you're getting some showers here coming over Lake Pontchartrain, Lakeview, Mid-City, Huron, Oswego, and those suburbs, Kenner, those suburbs to the east of Kenner. You're getting some showers down there. So be very careful. These showers are all pulling to the north and northeast here across Lake Pontchartrain. That could be a crazy ride across that bridge there, Lake Pontchartrain, but be careful. So that's what we have going on right now. Thank you for joining me on the Weather Guru podcast. Be sure to subscribe. And this was for the weather for today, for April 21st, 2025. Just the warnings and watches for today that we got one over today. Thank you for listening.